Welcome to CloudC Yoga. Today, we are going to kickstart with a 10 minutes beginner yoga flow. You only need a yoga mat. Now, let's begin the practice. Let's begin by setting on a table pose. Make sure your shoulders over your wrist and your hips over your knees. From here, inhale, drop the belly, head up. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. Let's repeat for 5 more rounds. Inhale, drop the belly, head up, lengthen, open your throat. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Feel the spinal movement. Inhale, drop the belly, head up, long spine, shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest. 3 more rounds like that. Inhale, drop the belly, feel your spine, long neck. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest, press against away from the floor. Inhale, drop the belly, head up. Exhale, reverse the pose. For one final round, take a deep breath in, drop the belly, head up, long neck. This time on your exhalation, tuck toes under, extend your hips up towards the downward facing dog. You can keep your knees bent if there's too much pressures for you. Stay in a pose, or you can step in, step out, just to feel the movement of your body, to wake up your body for a little bit. Make sure that you're elongating your spine. We want to find more space at our spine, moving in and out to wake up our body. Follow with gentle breathing. Enjoy the downward facing dog in here. Now gaze forward, slowly step to the top of the mat. Catch your waist. Slowly come up to standing, coming into Tadasana, the mountain pose. Let's prepare for 3 rounds of Sun Salutation A. Make sure you spread your feet as wide as your hips. Inhale, slowly open up. Lift your chest slightly up. Exhale, dive forward for forward bending. Keep your belly to thigh. Relax your neck. Next, inhale, long spine, gaze forward. Exhale, walk back to the plank pose. Engage in the plank pose. Then, drop your knees. Move to the tabletop position for another round of cat-cow. From here, drop your belly, head up, long neck. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Press against the floor. One more round. Inhale, drop the belly, head up. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest, just to feel your body. Inhale, come back to neutral spine. And on your exhalation, extend to the downward facing dog. Keep your spine extended. You may step in, step out. Keep the posture light and easy for your body. No pressures. That's right. Step in, step out. Keep it light. Enjoying your posture and the practice. Now gaze forward again. Step forward to the top of the mat. Catch your waist. Slowly coming up. Back to the standing posture, the mountain pose. You may reset your breath here for a while, just to feel your body. Let's get ready for the next round. Inhale, open your body, slightly lift up your chest. Exhale, go all the way down to the standing forward bend, belly to thighs. relax your neck. Inhale, lengthen long spine, gaze forward. Exhale, step back to the plank pose. Strong legs, strong arms. Stay there and inhale. Exhale, drop back to the table pose. Let's get ready for cat-cow. Set your table pose nice and firm. Inhale, drop the belly, head up. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Inhale, drop the belly, head up, long neck. Exhale, extend back to the downward facing dog. Again, you can step in and step out in here just to feel the lightness you've been creating for your body. Extending the space inside your body, feeling better and better. Now gaze forward again. Step forward to the top of the mat. Catch your waist, slowly coming up to complete the second round of Sun Salutation. Reset your breath again in mountain pose. Now inhale. Final round Sun Salutation A, open your chest. Exhale, dive forward all the way down, long spine, long neck. Inhale, halfway up, long spine. Exhale, step back to the plank pose. Inhale, push the floor. Exhale, drop your knees back to the table setup. Ready? Inhale, drop the belly, head up, open your throat, open your shoulders. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest, press against the floor. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale, extend to downward facing dog. Feel the downward facing dog as you feeling lighter, stronger, and better. You can stay still or you can keep stepping in and stepping out. Now inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, step forward. Catch the waist, slowly coming up. We just completed the 3 rounds of Sun Salutation A. Now let's go for a classic Sun Salutation. When you are ready, reset your breath and inhale, open your body, come all the way up, just lift it. Exhale, dive forward all the way down, long spine, relax your neck. Inhale, gaze forward, spinal elongation. Exhale, step your right leg back, drop the knee on the floor for the low lunge pose. Slowly coming up, strong and solid foundation. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Bring the front leg back. Set up the table base. Tuck toes under. Inhale, drop the belly, head up. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. Inhale, come back to neutral spine. Exhale, extend back to downward facing dog. Long leg, long spine. Now bring the feet together. Inhale, slowly bring the right legs up. Exhale, step forward to the low lunge. Drop your left knee on the floor. Slowly come up, solid foundation. Slowly bring your arms up again. Slowly up, steady and grounded. Then hands down. Extend the back knee off the floor. Then step the back leg forward. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, forward bend. Belly to thighs. long neck. Slowly coming up, raise your arms up, a mini back bend. Bring your palms together into prayer. Hands down. Let's work on the other side. Inhale, open all the way up, strong back. Exhale, go all the way down for forward bend, belly to thighs. Inhale, open up the body halfway up. Exhale, step the left foot back, rest the knee on the floor. Inhale, slowly coming up, strong foundation. Exhale, hands down. Bring the front leg back into a tabletop. The last cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly head up. Open the body. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest, press against the floor. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, extend back to the final downward facing dog. You're now finding more space in your body. Bring the feet together now. Extend the left leg up to the ceiling. Then step forward between your palms. Rest the right knee on the floor. Solid foundation. Slowly coming up. Raise your arms up next to your ears. Exhale all the way down. Lift the right knee off the floor and step forward. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, forward bend. Enjoy the last forward bend. You did a great job. Just feel the breath and the circulation of your body. Feeling lighter, lighter, and lighter. Now catch your waist, slowly coming up to the standing posture. Relax your palms next to your body. Close your eyes. Feel the breath in and out. In and out. You're feeling better, lighter, and stronger. Staying here for a moment just to be present. I hope you enjoy the practice and may you be happier, healthier every day. Follow for more yoga and life tips to elevate your soul. See you next time.